It's 1:30 in the morning, and apparently Bill has something very important to show us. So we're venturing out into the All-Star Sports Resort.
That's right, we're going to learn how to do an HDR in the middle of the night. Well, it's 2 o'clock in the morning here at the All-Star Sports, and we're on the football field. And I thought I'd do a little HDR demonstration. I want to get a shot of this fake football field with the big, oversized football helmets and soda can and all that. But it's going to be hard to expose this properly. There's lights, there's dark spots. So what I'm going to do is take a few different exposures, and then I'm going to blend them together in Lightroom. And we're going to do a editing tutorial to show you how to finish these images. But I'm at ISO 100, I'm at f8, and my first exposure is actually going to be an 8-second exposure. So I'm going to fire it off now. Eric's going to swing behind. So when this is done, you'll be able to see it on the back of the camera. All right, and this one is exposed properly. So this is a medium exposure. And it looks pretty good. But I'm going to overexpose this now and take another shot. And what that's going to do is it's going to give me a little more detail in all of the shadows when I blend them all together. So this exposure is going to look too bright here, but when we blend it in the editing program, it'll actually help to balance out all of the light. And then in the last exposure, I'm going to underexpose it. And what that's going to do is that's going to control all of the highlights. So we're going to go the other way. And if you see right here on the right side, I have my meter, and that's showing me. And as I underexpose it, so the 0 here in the middle there, that would be properly exposed, which is right about there. I'm going to go the other way, and you can see the screen darkening. So I'm going to underexpose it a little more than a stop. And as you can see down here, it's only a 1.6 second exposure. I'm still at f8, still ISO 100. So we're going to do that. Take this one. This will be a quick one. And there it is. It's a little darker. So here's all three of them. Here's underexposed, overexposed, and properly exposed. So when we blend those together in Lightroom, we're going to have a lot of leeway to actually make any adjustments that we want. We'll be able to tweak the colors, the highlights and the shadows. We'll really be able to adjust them, and it's going to give us a really cool image. And at the end of the video here, I'll drop in the image, and you can check it out. Click thumbs up and subscribe if you like what we're doing. We're going to bed. Good night.